Have you ever seen a beast wear a tuxedo? No, seriously. Imagine something with the heart of a predator but the poise of royalty. That's the 2026 Porsche Cayenne. It doesn't just blur the line between sports car and SUV. It sets that line on fire and roars right through it. This isn't your average family hauler. This is what happens when Porsche, yes, that Porsche decides your daily drive deserves a pulse. Let's talk design because wow, where do we start? At first glance, the 2026 Cayenne looks familiar, but linger a little longer, and you'll notice the evolution. The front fascia is sharper, more aggressive, like it's sizing up the road ahead. The Matrix LED headlights? Sleeker than ever, with a subtle menace that whispers, "Don't mess with me." And the rear? Porsche has pulled off something magical. A full-width light bar, a sculpted tailgate, and quad exhausts that don't just look good, they promise thunder. It's refined without losing its rebel streak. But beauty is only skin deep, right? Let's pop the hood, because here's where the Cayenne bares its teeth. You've got options, from the athletic Cayenne S now packing a new twin-turbo V8 with 468 horsepower, to the mighty Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid, a plug-in monster that churns out a staggering 729 horsepower. That's right, 729. In an SUV, just to put that into perspective, that's more power than a Ferrari F8 Tributo, in something that can carry your kids and your golf clubs. Mind blown yet? And it's not just about raw numbers. Porsche's chassis tuning is sorcery. Adaptive air suspension, rear axle steering, and torque vectoring make this nearly 5,000-pound SUV feel like a 911 on stilts. It corners like it's reading your mind. And speaking of mind reading, let's step inside. Seating. Cabin, it's futuristic without being cold. Porsche has revamped the dashboard with a new 12.6-inch curved digital cluster, a central 12.3-inch touchscreen, and, for the first time ever, a passenger-side display, so your co-pilot can DJ, navigate, or just admire the speed you're not admitting. But here's the twist, it still feels like a driver's car. The controls are tactile, the seating position is perfect, and everything, even the air vents, feels meticulously crafted. And let's talk tech, because Porsche has finally gone all in. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a next-gen voice assistant that actually understands you, and a brand new operating system that's, dare I say, fun to use. Plus, the optional night vision assist and adaptive cruise with active lane guidance. Let's just say this SUV has your back. And here's something most people miss. Porsche has upgraded the battery in the plug-in hybrid, giving it up to 50 miles of all-electric range. That's enough to handle most daily commutes without burning a drop of fuel in a 700-plus HP monster. Let that sink in. But above all, the 2026 Cayenne isn't trying to be something it's not. It's not pretending to be an off-roader. It's not shouting, "Look at me," like some other luxury SUVs. It's confident, composed, controlled. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you look forward to traffic, just so you can spend more time in it. So the big question, is this the ultimate performance SUV? Well, let's put it this way. If James Bond drove a family car, this would be it. Now I want to hear from you. Could the 2026 Cayenne be your dream daily driver? Or is it just a wild fantasy on four wheels? Either way, smash that like button. If you enjoyed this ride, drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive deep dives with a twist. New uploads every week, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Until then, drive safe and maybe, just maybe, a little fast.